In the new version of the RepTool, you will find the option to copy a package. This option to copy a package is only available for your own packages, not for packages provided by the VE System or Access Administrator or for VE Forum packages. For this, you will have to choose the package from the list of available packages with the pencil button to come to the package information, the Edit Package page, with the new Create a Copy button in the bottom line. If you click this button, you will copy the package to a new one with exactly the same content. You will come directly to the package graph and a message to check data. This means that you should check and edit package information and the package content. See a separate video on this.